Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to set up store pages and organize your collections on individual pages in Wix, but felt a little overwhelmed, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through the easiest way to design your shop, add products, and keep everything neat and organized. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable Wix store pages and add collections to separate pages, so your customers can find what they want with zero hassle. Let's dive right in. First, start by heading over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is your main control center, so make sure you're logged in and on the site you plan to work with. If you've never built a store before, don't worry. Wix makes it super approachable. Now, up at the top, there's a handy search bar. Click on that and type Wix Store. This is the official Wix app for managing online stores. When it pops up in the search results, go ahead and add it to your site. Why do we need to enable the store pages? Well, by adding the Wix Store application, you're unlocking a ton of features specifically designed to handle products, orders, and collections, all the e-commerce essentials. Once you've enabled it, Wix automatically creates key pages like your storefront, product listing, and cart, which means much less manual work for you. Next, look to the left menu and find My Business. Click on it, then select Wix Stores, and from there, choose Manage Products. This is the heart of your shop and where you're going to spend a lot of time as you build things out. If you've just added the Store app, the Products area will be empty, which is totally normal at this point. Now, to add your first product, look up at the top right, and you'll spot an Add New Product button. Clicking this brings up three options: physical, digital file, or print on demand. Take a moment to choose the type that fits what you're offering. For example, physical products are great for things like handmade crafts or apparel you ship yourself. Digital files work if you're selling ebooks or music, and print on demand connects you to services that print and ship items for you. Perfect if you want a hands-off experience. If you're ever unsure, imagine how your customer will receive the item. That tiny pause can save you a headache later on, so don't rush through this step. Before you start uploading all your products, look carefully at the left side of the dashboard. You'll notice several sections: products, categories, inventory, back-in-stock requests, and other important data collections. Each one is a powerful tool for keeping your store running smoothly. Categories let you group products together, so if you're selling everything from jewelry to wall art, you can create unique collections for each and display them on separate pages. Inventory management helps you track stock levels in real time, and back-in-stock request tools allow your customers to sign up for notifications on popular items that have sold out. These features aren't just for decoration. They help you control what your customers see, avoid overselling, and create a polished shopping experience. Take your time to explore these sections and start thinking about how you want your products to appear. For example, if you have a spring collection of handmade mugs, you can create a Spring Mugs category, add those products, and set up a dedicated page just for that collection, which helps customers browse more easily and gets those mugs in front of the right buyers. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up store pages and organize collections on separate pages in Wix, all the easy way. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's a detail you want me to cover next, and make sure you subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy building!